Hello, everyone. You know, in the sprawling world of trading, my channel has been your reliable guide. We've navigated through a myriad of trading facets like strategies, position sizing, and risk management. But there's one area we haven't explored yet, the fascinating realm of trading psychology and the nuanced understanding of probabilities. Today, I'm going to share my personal insights and experiences to shed light on these crucial aspects. Now, I want you to remember this: emotions are key players in a trader's journey. In this upcoming video, I aim to distill my understanding of how consistent winners navigate the markets with a steady hand, free of emotional turbulence. The right mental state is paramount for effective technical and fundamental analysis, a theme that I found essential in my own successful ventures. Every trader enters the market with a positive expectation, the anticipation of turning a profit. However, I want to talk about what I call the psychological gap. This is where traders may not fully embrace the possibility of losses despite acknowledging the inherent risk. Elite traders, I believe, see each trade as an independent, random event unaffected by past outcomes. To help you shift your mindset, I'll present 5 fundamental truths to help you embrace risk and navigate the uncertainties of the market. This discussion will contrast these principles with the gambler's fallacy, highlighting that each trade is independent of its predecessors. I'll stress the importance of adopting a probabilistic view of trading and encourage traders to accept the intrinsic uncertainty of market dynamics. The ultimate goal is to reach the coveted zone, a mental state that's carefree, unburdened by fear and doubt, and born out of a deep acceptance of risk. To further guide you on this transformative journey, I'll share 7 principles of consistency drawn directly from my own experiences. These principles urge traders to objectively identify setups, predefine risks, embrace uncertainties, and execute strategies with unwavering confidence. Understanding and upholding these principles is crucial, as a significant majority of trading errors can be traced back to attitudes surrounding being wrong, losing money, missing out, or leaving money on the table. In summary, this upcoming video is all about examining your mental state in trading and encouraging you to cultivate a carefree perspective. It's about recognizing that every market moment is unique and the need to approach trading with a probabilistic mindset. Embracing risk is a central theme, acknowledging the elusive nature of certainty in market movements. If you're eager to delve deeper into these insights, there's a link in the video description to a treasure trove of knowledge. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification icon to stay updated with future content. The journey continues, and I invite you to be part of it.